Hello everybody. Today we're going to do a rook ending when we have two rooks and a king against just one king. So the first thing we have to do when we have a rook ending is to make a cutoff. In this case, the cutoff can be the 5th rank, the E file, the 7th rank, or the C file. It doesn't matter, but in this game we'll use the 5th rank. So we make the cutoff by bringing our rook over here to A5. Now the king has an option. He can go here or here. He'll probably come here with the idea of attacking the rook. And now the next step we need to do is bring our other rook down to the 6th rank and give the king a check. So let's do that now. And now you can see what we've done. So we forced the king such that he can't go into the row in front of him, can't stay in his current rank, so he's forced to go back. But again, he'll go back with the idea that if this rook comes down to give another check, he'll kill it. Again, so the next thing we have to do now is to focus on making a new cutoff. And this rook here, now that the king has gone back, this rook has become the cutoff. This rook is now not doing anything. But we know if it goes down, the king will kill it. So we bring it all the way over here, so it'll be safe. And the king comes over here. Again, with the same idea of killing the rooks. Now we go down here and give a check. The king comes over here. And now that we've made the cutoff with this rook, the h7 rook, we can use our f6 rook here, bring it to f8, and we have a checkmate. The king can't stay where he is, he can't go in front of him, and as he's at the 8th rank, can't go behind him. So we have a checkmate. So this is the simple process of doing a rook ending with two rooks and a king against just one king. And thank you.